A charming two-story brick house features a white door, a bay window, and a lush garden of roses and daisies. A paved walkway leads through the front yard under a clear blue sky. This serene suburban home features a white exterior, grey roof and black gate. A wooden pergola with hanging flowers and a cozy bench sit on the lawn, creating a tranquil vibe. A grey two-story house sits nestled in a garden of lilacs and hydrangeas. A stone path leads to a dark door with a wreath, all enclosed by a black fence under a bright, clear sky. This quaint white cottage features a black door and lantern amidst a riot of tulips and shrubs. A stone path and wrought iron gate lead through the perfectly manicured garden. A white house with a black roof overlooks a lush garden of pink and purple blooms. A small cat sits on the stone path near the door, framed by an elegant wrought iron front gate. This stone cottage features a brown tiled roof and a black door. A white picket fence encloses a garden of roses and lavender, with stone steps leading through the serene woods. A white cottage with a black roof and chimney sits among vibrant purple flowers. Two black lanterns flank a metal gate, where a stone path leads to the door under a clear sky. This white two-story house features a black roof and matching lanterns. A stone wall and iron gate border a lush garden of pink and blue blooms, nestled quietly among the trees. A brown two-story house features a white picket fence and an arbor of pink roses. A stone path winds through a floral garden toward a porch with a bench under a soft, cloudy sky. This brown house features white trim, a second-floor balcony, and a columned porch. A white archway leads into a vibrant garden of yellow and orange blooms behind a picket fence. A white house with a black roof features a pergola, a wooden bench, and a rose garden. A stone path leads to the porch, surrounded by lush greenery and purple flowering plants. This white two-story home features a vine-covered facade and a wooden archway. A black door overlooks a garden of lavender and roses, with a small white gazebo to the right side. A white house with a red tile roof features a floral pergola and a black door. A stone pathway, flanked by potted shrubs and purple flowers, leads through the well-kept garden. This white cottage with a brown roof features a wooden porch and railing. A stone path winds past a bench and colourful blooms, leading to a tall tree under a bright blue sky. A beige house with a brown door features flower boxes and a white picket fence. A large, lush tree stands over the garden's stone path, surrounded by pink and white floral blooms.